So yeah, in Northern Ireland, these are some very nice National Trust gardens near Mussendine Temple. I'm liking the trees in front of me, the way the sun's hitting them. Yeah, if you check my other videos, I've just had a look around Mussendine Temple, near one of the best beaches in Northern Ireland, downhill. I'm just heading back to my car to hit downhill for a swim. But yeah, look at this woodland. Got a gothic vibe to it, some of these trees. Yeah. You gotta be I think you gotta pay or be a National Trust member during the day, but in the evening to come here, I'll put a name of what these gardens are. In the evening, I believe it's free. Well, I've had no issue coming in. No one was there. Belvedere Temple House. Now I'm confused. I thought it was called Mussendine. Probably pronouncing these wrong and embarrassing myself here. Look how lush Northern Ireland is. So lush and green. Having a bit of a heat wave here in July. It's fantastic. Beaches come alive. Maybe get too busy with the cars, but still ice cold swimming. But you feel good. I recommend it. Just jump in, have a dip, and you'll feel replenished. I'm gonna do a bit more vlogging to camera. It's not as bad as I thought. Instead of just me walking around, you can see my other videos of places. But might as well talk, see where it goes. I'm not a big talker. How are we doing on battery? Very low battery. I wasn't even planning to do any vlogs, but here I am. It smells fresh. Downhill house, Mussendine Temple, yeah. I've been to a couple of those. So is this called Bishop's Gate? I believe it is. It's terrible, isn't it? People who know Northern Ireland are going to be watching this thinking, you idiot, it's this, it's called this, it's called that. Oh. I hope I can exit because there are gates coming up here. They were open when I came in. I've seen other people, just unsure if they lock them at a certain time. It's probably around 7 PM, maybe 7:30.